Hello guys, this is the 360 camera CareCam and full HD clarity. You can see. Now I can unboxing. See, this is the cable and this is the camera. See, 2 antenna. This is the 2 antenna camera. 360-degree rotating this one. And see, this is the full 360-degree. See, this set have the USB option and memory card with charger. See, I can open the this is the charger. See, now automatically this is the open. Loading this one 2 round. You can. This is the first time 2 round loading. See, and this is the full HD and with have the night vision mode, and SD card is 3. See, and this is the now one catalog have. The application, download the application CareCam. This is the QR code. You can scanning the application download. And see, now I can go to the Play Store, download. Go to Play Store and download CareCamPro. Now I can writing CareCamPro. Download finish. See, this is I have already opened this one already before I have a download, and now I can go to the application, and this is first opening time. This application you can sign in for Gmail, for Facebook, anything, and now I can go plus icon. See, there are one plus icon have, and go to the add device and go to Wi-Fi camera and Wi-Fi FE connecting. Face FE connecting they have, and next Wi-Fi. You can select your Wi-Fi for your camera. This is the your camera Wi-Fi coming. This is Wi-Fi. This camera Wi-Fi coming here. Stop and open, and CareCam now already coming, and Wi-Fi is no coming. There have the one reset. This is the reset button. You can put the reset. No, can connect care. This is the Wi-Fi name, and see, give the back, and give this one okay, and select your router Wi-Fi. This is the connect where you can put your camera. Their Wi-Fi you can select. They're coming your home Wi-Fi or router Wi-Fi. There you can select. Go to confirm Wi-Fi. Now see, you can select your Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi router, and I can select my home Wi-Fi and give the password for Wi-Fi password. Yeah, there give the Wi-Fi password, your router Wi-Fi password, home Wi-Fi password, and there you can wait 2-3 minutes, same like this. You can wait. Then you can select your where you can put the name, device name, shop or outdoor, anything you can select. Now I can main door I can select. Then this is the time settings. There are time settings. You can select your country. Automatically your mobile same coming the time, and done. See, now start. See, this is the clarity full HD. And 360 up down. See, also 360 this one, and there night vision and video camera also option have there. See, now go to this, there one have the bulb icon. This is the night vision mode, and now writing have now auto, and second option have always on, and second third option have always off, and always on give. This is the 24-hour black and white coming the camera. See, and off give close all time, close night vision mode, and give the auto. Give the auto. This is the automatically change light have and without night vision work, and light closing with night vision open. And there have the SD card settings. There you can put the memory card, your camera automatically playback coming there.